ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ಎಷ್ಟು? What is the time now? What is the time now? ನೀನು ಏನನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? What are you eating? What are you eating? ಹೋಗಿ ಓದಿಕೋ. Go and study. Go and study. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಡ. Don't be here. Don't be here. ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. Don't go out. Don't go out. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ. Don't tell lies. Don't tell lies. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಗುಳಬೇಡಿ. Don't spit here. Don't spit here. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಜಾರಿತು. It slipped out of my hand. It slipped out of my hand. ನೀನು ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? You have put on weight. You have put on weight. ಅದು ಯಾರ ಕರೆ? Whose call was it? Whose call was it? ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾದ ಮಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು. Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. ನೀನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. You need not come again. You need not come again. ನೀನು ತೆಳ್ಳಗಾಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? You have become lean. You have become lean. ನಿನಗೆ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You don't have patience at all. You don't have patience at all. ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. Don't drive fast. Don't drive fast. ಅವರ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Don't cheat others. Don't cheat others. ತಂಪು ಪಾನೀಯ ಕುಡಿಯಬೇಡಿ. Don't drink cool drinks. Don't drink cool drinks. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಟವಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. ಕರೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸು. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. ನೀನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲ. You are not a kid anymore. You are not a kid anymore. ಕಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಯವನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Time heals everything. Time heals everything. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸು. Somehow finish it. Somehow finish it. ನಾನು ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿರುಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. I come back home at 6 p.m. I come back home at 6 p.m. ತಡವಾಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರಲಿ. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? How are you today? How are you today? ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't understand. I don't understand. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾಡು. Do what I said. Do what I said. ನಿನ್ನ ಕೂದಲನ್ನು ಬಾಚಿಕೋ. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. ಓದಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸು. Start reading. Start reading. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? How much times should I have to say? How much times should I have to say?